Hello and welcome back to Tech Toolers. In today's video, we will be looking at a simple yet powerful website, Figma. It is an online tool that means you can access it from anywhere, from any platform and from any operating system. Log into Figma and create a new design file. On the top left corner, you will find basic action panel like File, Edit, View, Plugins, Libraries and more. You can also download the desktop version of the app. The next tool is Move and Scale tool. It is followed by Frame and Slice tool. You can also add various shapes to your design using Shape tool. Add text to your project or doodle text with Pen tool. You can also add comment to your project with Comment tool. In the Frame tool, you can find pre-designed frames for phone, tablet, desktop, social media and more. But today we are going to do it from scratch. You can drag the edges of the frame to make it big or small, or use the pixel value to make your frame. Here I am using a frame of pixel value 1600 by 960 and let's add a background color to it using a fill tool. I am adding another frame over my base frame to give a nice gradient look to my project. You will find the gradients and transparency option within the fill tool. So now our background is ready. So let's combine both the frames to make a single group. Let's add an image to this frame. To do this, just drag down the image into the frame. You can adjust the width, height, orientation of the image with the panel on the right hand side. To give some realistic view to the image, let's add a shadow to the object. And now our small project is nearly ready. Let's add a text to the project. You can also add comment using comment tool so that your team member can view it and make necessary changes. You can share your project with your team members using shareable link, making Figma a very good collaborative tool for UI designers. When your project is ready, you can export the project to JPEG, PNG, SVG or PDF format. Thanks for watching Tech Toolers. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon.